Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be undecorating and cleaning my house. I'm going to take down all of my fall decor in preparation to put up all of my Christmas decorations. I'm so excited for this because this is the first Christmas we'll be celebrating in this house. If you guys are new to my channel, we did move into this home the beginning of 2019 this year, and we are so excited to spend the holidays in it. So to start out, we are going to get the totes out of the garage, bring them in, and get to cleaning and packing everything away. Now, one trick that I like to use whenever I am putting away everything is to get old tissue paper, like wrapping paper, anything that I can find to secure more breakable items. I also go ahead and pack away all of my hand towels. I throw away the little pumpkins, and I go ahead and start deconstructing everything. And while I'm at it, I like to go ahead and clean as I go. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off this 3-tiered tray, and I'll do it again later in this video, but I like to just knock things out gradually. So I'm going to put everything into the tote. I like to also store more breakable items surrounding by like softer items like those pumpkins. The fabric ones work as a good barrier, so I'll always put something breakable by something soft, and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm doing. I started in the kitchen because I have a lot to take down. Believe it or not, this is where a lot of it goes, and I really don't like for my countertops to be too cluttered, so I was really ready to have a fresh start with my decor. So I have a specific cabinet where I store all of my Done ceramic mugs and bowls and cups and anything of that sort, and it's gotten a little cluttered over the past couple months, so I'm just going ahead and clearing that out while I have the time and energy. I'm moving the flower arrangements to a different place where they belong. I'm going ahead and putting away all of my Halloween decor, and in order to do that, I went ahead and pulled all of my Christmas out since I know I would be needing that very soon. So I went ahead and took that all out, put the Halloween in, and then put the Christmas back in for the time being. It also really hurt to take down Brooks's artwork, but I really wanted to work with a clean slate, and those were some of his fall projects that we did together. So let me know if you guys have any really fun Christmas activities that you do with your kiddos. Let me know in the comments below because I really want to do something new with Brooks. Last year we did make some ornaments because they were kind of like cookies, but they aren't edible. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. Where we put his handprint and his footprint in them, and he had so much fun doing that. So this year is going to be even better because he's all about it. So anyways, let me know if you guys have anything in mind. And then I'm just moving on to the rest of the decor. Believe it or not, this took hours. It may not look like it because this is an 8-minute video, but it takes so long to get everything put away, organized, cleaned up. It really is a time-consuming process, especially if you have a little one. So I was doing this while Brooks napped, and I had like very little time. So I got it done in under 2 hours, but I was booking it. So make sure you have enough time set aside to get all your cleaning done. But I'm just tucking in all of my pumpkins in totes. I had about 3 fall totes total, and the leaves did take up a lot of that space. So I went ahead and moved those out to the garage, and I got started on cleaning. So after I put everything away, I feel like there was glitter and just like random stuff on the countertop, so I'm just wiping those down. I am using an all-natural cleaner from one of my friends' businesses. It's called the Natural Route, and she's unfortunately only available to local people as of right now, but that could always change in the future, so I will keep you guys updated. But she makes amazing products for your countertops and your glass. So I'm just using those to wipe down my appliances. And if you're wondering what I just moved off of my stove, I actually got this little oven cover. I think it's called a noodle board. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I just personally liked the look of it. Since our kitchen is like white and I kind of like the farmhouse look, I thought it really tied it in all together, and I just loved it. So I found it at a local craft fair for $35, and I didn't think that was terrible. So that is a new piece in our kitchen, and I'm just wiping everything down. I like to clean my countertops off. Usually, honestly, a couple times a day. That might sound excessive, but every time Brooks eats, they get so messy. So I just like to have them clean and wiped down, and I also wipe down anything that the decor was on as well, like the cake stand and my ladder, and I even wipe down the countertops because sometimes I forget to do that. And then I'm just lighting my pumpkin pecan waffles candle from Bath & Body. This makes the house so cozy, having a candle lit, especially while you're cleaning. Lighting a candle just makes it smell good and feel so homey and cozy. So next I'm moving into wiping everything down. I am using that Pledge multi-surface spray. I love using something like this whenever I have a big cleaning day with limited time, because it works on hardwood, it works on glass, mirrors, pretty much anything, electronics even. It's not sponsored, but I do really like that product. So I'm just wiping everything down that I can think of, and then I'm also wiping down this little corner nook because there were some pieces from the decor left on there, and sometimes the handles get really dusty as well. So I'm just giving it all a good wipe down.
Yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water.
Next, I moved into the living room and just kind of took away the pillows that were more fall related, and then gave our fireplace and window seals a good wipe down as well. After that, I gave my floors a quick sweeping, and here's the finished product. Our house feels so bare, but I'm so excited to decorate for Christmas. If you guys want to see Christmas decorate with me, Christmas shop with me, anything Christmas related, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what videos you want to see for November and December. And thank you guys so much for taking some time to spend with me here on my channel today, and I will see you guys in my next video. See ya!